Good evening, everybody. I'm Harshil from Group C. We are going to launch this presentation regarding generics according to our programming subject PLDC, Programming Language and Design Concept. Actually, this is our second session of generics presentation because we have done another presentation earlier. In that presentation, we had to talk about background of generics, benefits of the generics, generics in C sharp, and some C sharp coding related to generics, and some coding examples regarding generics found in the world. Let's discuss this presentation, the content. So that these are group members, and here's let's look at the content of this presentation. First of all, we will be talking about non-generic programs. We will talk about non-generic programs according to example codings. Then the problems that can be found in non-generic programs and the solution for these problems to resolve these problems that can be taken to resolve these problems. And some also we will talking about some example, discussing about example codes that can be found in generics. And also I have said that the multiple types and methods that can be found in generics. We will cover these things in the future. And the conclusion. Actually, this presentation mainly based on classes, methods, and multiple types regarding generics, and also the example codings that can be shown for these problems and solutions regarding generics. So let's have a look at the non-generic programs. Here's an example for a non-generic program. Actually, as you can see, this is a class type program. Class name is myArrayList. MyArrayList is the class name, and as you can see, there are implementation for the private, public, and those things. Private can be used to do the information hiding in a programming code, because that is not globally available. Can be seen, that cannot be seen by everyone globally in the society. Only the writer can see this thing. And here in this coding, we are initializing the private object items. Items is a private object, as you can see, and here private int count can be used to initialize the count variable that we will be using in the that we are going to use in the future. And no matter what, you can use 0 or 1 as you prefer. Here we are implementing the function of this class method, public void add object item. Add is the function name. Void is a passing method. If we use this void, we have to return the object. If we don't use this void, we don't have to return. So as you can see here, we have used void, so we have to return this object at last. And in brackets, you can say items count plus equals items. That means the current item amount will be increased by 1. So if as an example, if the current item amount is 3, then after the implementation, the count will be 4. Amount will be 4, like that. So in this is also a function. Both functions are public. These two functions are globally visible to the whole world, but not this. This is a private thing. So as you can see in this public object get item, here the get item is the function. Get item is here we are retrieving this item object into this function. So here we are returning this item. The advantage of this function is we don't have to write whole coding again as a recursion. All we have to use is implement this function as we want. So that's the advantage of this code. So if you have a look at the problem, it's an ungeneric program. So that was the previous recording was an example for an ungeneric program. So in this coding, any untyped object can be added. So as it is ungeneric, any untyped object can be added to the list and also create. Actually, adding an untyped object is possible in a direct manner. Indirectly, we are supposed to do these things, but in a direct manner, the untyped objects can be added to a non-generic program, but not to a generic program. To a non-generic one, you can add, and also there has to be an explicitly type conversion ability with the writes with reading. The untyped declaration of the list can arise two problems. Untyped declaration of the list can arise two problems. As you can see, these are two problems. The compiler has no chance to verify the content of the list and the necessary type conversion. The compiler don't have any chance to verify. Verification will not be done in this program. In non-generic programs, the compiler verification cannot be done. It won't done. It has to be done, but it won't happen. So, and also the list and the necessary type conversion will not be visible. The second problem is type failure will be recognized only at runtime. Only at the runtime, only that you will be able to recognize the type failures. Otherwise, no hope. For this so let's have a look at the solution for this problem. So this is the problem that we have to face when using non-generic programs. So here's the solution for the problem. Here we are still talking about this class method, but we have done some modifications here. In the previous matter, in the problem, we have in the non-generic program we have used this private item is a right